In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make daily teaching slides in Google Slides. This tutorial is especially helpful for teachers who want to streamline their lesson planning process and create visually appealing presentations for their students. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Slides homepage. Simply type slides.google.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once you've reached the site, you will need to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial because it not only gives you access to Google Slides, but also allows you to save your work in Google Drive automatically, which is a real time saver and helps keep everything organized. After signing in, you should be directed to the Google Slides home screen. Here you'll find a variety of options for your presentations, including a selection of templates that Google provides. I recommend that you browse through the available templates and select one that fits the theme and style of your lesson. Remember, choosing the right template can enhance the clarity and engagement of your teaching. Once you've picked a template, it's time to customize it to suit your specific needs. This is where you can really start to infuse your own teaching style and creativity into the presentation. Take some time to modify the layout, adjust the fonts, and change the color schemes if necessary. You want the slides to reflect your personality, while also ensuring that the content is easy to digest for your students. Now that your template is set up, you can start adding the content. First, consider what needs to be on each slide. This could include lesson objectives, key concepts, or discussion points. You can easily insert text boxes, images, and even videos to make your slides more dynamic. To add an image, simply click on the Insert menu and choose Image. Similarly, you can add videos by selecting Insert and then Video, which allows you to paste a YouTube link or upload a video file from your computer. As you add content, keep in mind that less is often more. It can be tempting to overload your slides with information, but succinct and focused points are generally more effective in keeping your students' attention and helping them retain information. Use bullet points to condense information where necessary, and make sure the text is legible by using appropriate font sizes and styles. And there you have it. Once you've populated all your slides with content, be sure to give everything a quick review to check for any errors or design tweaks you might need to make. When you're satisfied with your slides, you can share them with your students via Google Classroom or another preferred platform. This way, students have access to the materials both during and after class, enhancing their learning experience significantly. So that's how you create daily teaching slides with Google Slides. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it makes your teaching experience a little smoother and more visually engaging. Thanks for joining me today, and happy teaching.